Alright everyone, welcome back to Joe Man's Land. I hope you're having an amazing day. As some of you might know, I am an avid drone pilot. It's not something I necessarily showcase a lot on this channel, but it is something that goes into a lot of the videography and photography that I do both for my work and for fun. Recently, I picked up the Mini 3 Pro and I bought it used. That means that these are the two things that I got. I got the Pro controller with this built-in screen as well as the drone. This is not the Fly More combo, meaning you get one battery. You can get a lot of distance out of one battery with this drone, which is great. But if you're doing any type of client work, there's a few accessories that you need to get in order to optimize your drone. So this is my budget-friendly Fly More combo, the must-haves you have to have in order to get the most out of your drone day one. So the first thing you need to get is another battery. So I picked this one up just today. This doubles your flight time and it gives you a backup just in case you need a little bit more juice than one battery has to spare. Now keep in mind, to charge this, I have to put it in the drone, which it's kind of inconvenient. I'm going to be getting a charging plate at some point, but that's not something you need right away in order to get off the ground running and to start doing client work right away. The next accessory that you have to get, have to, is a variable ND. This bad boy by K&F is a variable ND from 1 to 5. Don't really know what that means, 1 to 5, but when you have the Mini 3 Pro, you've got a fixed aperture of 1.7. So if you want to lower that shutter when it's sunnier out, you need to get one of these bad boys in order to do that. And the last accessory that you have to get, no questions asked, is a case by a company called, let's see what they're called. This is the Stark, I can't really say the name of the brand.
That's a made-up name. What's your real name?
Ladies.
Ladies what?
Ladies washroom.
But this is their case for the Mini 3 Pro. You've got space for the drone here, controller. But yeah, let's just roll and get some test shots and then we'll wrap it up and I'll tell you the price points on all of these accessories. All right, so we've got the variable ND installed, keeps underneath the 249 gram weight limit, so there's no need to worry there. Let's get this bad boy in the air, but keep in mind that once this is up in the air, you can't change the ND. So you want to set your exposure as close as you can on the ground before you take off. We're up in the air now. Everything's looking good. We're shooting a decent light so we can get the most for color grading, and we're shooting at 24 frames. All right, so this is not an ideal spot to do what we're about to do, but the wind's really bad, so we got to use the wired mic. All right, let's get into it. So here is the case. It's pretty well built. Pretty sturdy. It does say for Mini 3 Pro, so you know it's officially for this drone, which is always kind of nice. It's got a nice little carry strap as well. It doesn't actually fit in my low pro bag, unfortunately, so that's one downside, but it does have a shoulder strap, so that's great. Let's open it up. There we go. And voila, that is how everything fits inside. So as you can see, you've got the drone sits really comfortably, the controller does as well. You've got the extra battery, and then you've got two other slots, one for a plug and then another one for another battery if you decided to get one. This is what I like to call the budget-friendly Fly More combo. So I got these two guys used off Kijiji for $8.50 Canadian, which was a really good deal. I got that battery for $89 Canadian, which was pretty reasonable, doubles my flight time. The case was $30, and then the variable ND that's on the drone right now, which I showed you earlier, was $30. So pretty reasonable. It definitely improves the overall quality of your setup, and as you can see, it's a nifty little package. Man, that light right now is just getting unreal. If it wasn't so windy out, I think it would have been really good to have kept the drone up there a bit longer. All right, now we're on a nice busy street. There's lots of cars, lots of people. Worst audio test for this new Deity D3 Mic Pro, but let's wrap it up. If you bought your drone used, whether that's the Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro, and you didn't get the Fly More combo, this is a very affordable kit that you can get that will overall improve your experience make it a bit more professional, and allow you to get more footage from your drone. Keep in mind, when you're using a variable ND, you gotta shoot in Pro mode, which is like full manual. And like I said before, once you're in the air, you can't change the variable ND, it's set. So just something to keep in mind. All right, now we got just a little bit of light. Let's wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, in the comments below, tell me what your favorite accessory is for your drone and why, or why you do or do not have a drone in your bag. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember to take beautiful photos every single day. Don't do it for the views, do it for yourself. Stay tuned, we'll have another video coming out soon. See you in the next one.